Right, so the next topic in the course is open source versus closed source software. Softwares can be classified into two categories, open source and closed source. Open source software refers to software whose source code is freely available and can be modified and distributed by anyone. This means that anyone can view and modify the underlying code, which leads to a collaborative development process and an active community of users and developers. Examples of open source software include Linux operating system and the WordPress content management system and the Apache web server. Closed source software, on the other hand, refers to software whose code is not freely available and cannot be modified or distributed by the owner of authorized users. So that's that software that can only be modified by the owner or authorized users. This means that underlying code is not visible to users, which can limit the ability of users to modify or customize the software. Examples of closed source software include Microsoft Windows, the Adobe Photoshop image editing software, and the Oracle Database Management System. These are several advantages and disadvantages to both open source and closed source software. Open source software is seen more transparent and flexible, as the source code can be modified and it can be customized to meet specific needs. Additionally, open source software is often free or low cost, making it accessible to a wide range of users. Closed source software, on the other hand, is often seen as more stable and secure, as the underlying code is not visible to potential attackers. Additionally, closed source software, also known as proprietary software, is often backed by large corporations with extensive resources, which can lead to more frequent updates and support. When choosing between open and closed software, it's important that we have to consider the specific needs and requirements of the user or organization. Factors to include may include the software's features and capabilities, its compatibility with other software and hardware, its ease of use and user interface, and its costs and licensing requirements. It's often common for proprietary software to require a license, such as Windows 10 and Windows 11. Ultimately, the choice between open source and closed source software will depend on a variety of factors, including the specific needs and requirements of the user or organization, the available resources, and the features and capabilities of the software itself. By carefully considering these factors, users can choose between the software that best meets their needs and maximizes their productivity and efficiency.